The columns busted out and everything.
You see the
I have a
license
license
plate?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
J as in Jack, V as in Victor, X as in X-ray, 3, 5, 8.
You're 5'8"?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody in it?
I seen two gentlemen walk away from it and go into the hotel.
They went into the hotel?
Like 3 minutes ago. I'm sure I could get the lady the description. She could give you guys their information and room number.
Okay, so let's see here. It's not stolen, but it does look like officers are looking to talk to it. Just bear with me here.
Oh, nice. Well, I am...
Or I'll say it's not listed stolen. That doesn't mean it's not stolen, especially with the things that you're saying about it. It just means as of now, the owner has not called it in as stolen. What color and type of vehicle is it?
It is a gray GMC truck, or Chevy truck, early 2000s, with a gray topper on the bed of it.
And this is where? What parking lot?
So it's in the parking lot of the ProCare Home Medical next to the Hampton Inn.
Where is he? Is he by the kids? Right up against the first wall.
What does he have? What kind of weapon?
21 Alpha, we're going to need a 44. Our second suspect that is in the room is armed with a handgun. I'm not sure if the kids are free to go. Sounds like this might be a possible hostage.
Don't come in. Don't come in.
Come to us.
I'm gonna shoot. I'm gonna fucking shoot.
He's got a gun.
Got a gun.
There's kids in. Don't shoot.
He's got a gun.
There's kids in. Close the
There's
door.
kids in the backdrop.
Close the
I can't. Get those kids out.
Close the door. Close the door.
All right. He just slammed the door shut. We saw the gun. He's holding the kids hostage as well as the adult female.
There's no safe backdrop. I don't know about if he hits that door, he's gonna circle. No, breathe! He's put the round in the door. Breathe! Yes.
Round came through the door.
I know.
Rifle and shield up.
Go for the hinges. Go for the hinges now.
Hinges are on that side.
breaking the door.
Shoot through the door.
We need to get in. Shoot at us.
Failed breach, failed breach, failed breach! Failed breach! Failed breach! Tools! You got tools! Back up, back up, back up, back up! You got it, you got it. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Don't do it! Don't do it! Come up, come up, come up, come up, come up. Got it, you got it.
I got the gun. I got the gun. I got the gun.
I got it. You're good, you're good. More good. Pull her away. We're good, suspect down.
I'll hold on him. You check yourself.
Failed breach, failed breach, failed breach. Failed breach. Failed breach. Tools! You got tools! Back up, back up, back up, back up! You got it, you got it. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Don't do it! Don't do it! Come up, come up, come up, come up, come up. Got it, you got it.
I got the gun. I got the gun. I got the gun.
I got it. You're good, you're good. More good. Pull her away. We're good, suspect down.
I'll hold on him. You check yourself.